Welcome back to Alice's Smart Ideas, everyone. And today we are going to be making a rattle necklace. And you will not need any glue to do this. It all makes sense when we do it. So what we'll need is a small container with a lid that fits it and some string, any coloured, or elastic. It should be elastic, any colour. And then we'll need some gems or whatever you like. And I'm putting one of my favourite gems in. So let's get started. So first step, we're going to take off the lid and then put all the gems inside. Okay. I want to make sure that I don't spill them. You might want to do that too, because you wouldn't want to lose any of the gems. And use all the gems or whatever you have, but don't put too much, but I still have a lot. Because we still do need a lot to fill up this jar. These gems are just going everywhere. Okay. Won't matter. But also, we are going to need to have a bit of a space up the top so that it can move around and make noise. Okay, I've got all the gems in. And then we'll grab our elastic here and then we'll put the ends of it inside the container and then put the lid on. And then screw the lid. Trust me, it'll turn out. And then just try to pull these together, if you can. But if you can't, that's okay. And then, there you have it. Your rattle necklace. Or, if you don't have gems, for example, you could put wax in, lots of little toys, like super small toys. A little like stuffed toy could fit inside here, but it could be squished. And then you could carry that around. See you next time. Bye.